up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I'm going to be working with Cynosure hair. I hope I'm saying it right. This is my first time ever working with this company. At first, I was a little disappointed because I bleached the knots. And I feel like the knots, it bleached, but you kind of still see, like, you know, the black dots. But it wasn't, their knots is real thin. So I was able to cover it up with some lace tint, and I just put makeup on my part. But y'all, it's giving scalp. You would have never expected. First things first, y'all, I was sent a 20-inch 13x6 frontal wig, 220 density. If I'm not mistaken, it says 220 density. And honey, you can see it. This hair is real thick. I had to go in and throw some wand curls in it to give it back its natural wave. And y'all, I love this hair. This hair is real good. Like I said, at first, I can honestly say, like, I was really disappointed. Like, not disappointed, but I was like, dang, like, I hope this hair, you know, turns out to be a good install. And y'all, it did. So shout out to Cynosure hair. How do I say this? Is it Cynosure? I don't know, y'all. Help me out. But this hair is bomb, y'all. Oh my god, I'm loving it. It's real thick. It takes the curl real easily. I didn't have to leave my wand curl on for a long time at all. And like I said, it's real thick. I don't know if I... This hair is real thick, honey. 20 inches. It's giving longer, but it's 20 inches. The hair is nice. I barely had any type of shedding. And shout out to Cynosure hair because they really surprised me with this one. They did it. And if you guys are interested in the same exact wig, the wig is going to be down below. And if you guys are interested on how I got this look, continue watching. Y'all go ahead and head over to Cynosure hair and get your wig, because y'all, I would highly recommend. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. All the details will be down below in the description box. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.